Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing the best DSLR cameras of 2023. With advancements in technology and an ever-growing market, it can be hard to choose the right camera for your needs. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We've tested and reviewed the top contenders to bring you the best options for capturing those special moments. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this video has something for everyone. We have included links in the description box. So sit back, relax, and let's find your perfect camera. At number 1 is Nikon D780. You won't find a better full-frame DSLR than the Nikon D780 outside of professional versions like the Nikon D850. It offers more functions than you could possibly need in a high-end photography camera. For starters, it has a long-lasting battery life that, if necessary, may survive through days of intensive use and is weather-sealed and constructed to last. The camera has a small top display so you can quickly check settings, battery life, and storage at a glance. A tilting screen makes it simple to shoot from waist level. However, this camera's hybrid autofocus system, which uses a contrast detection system when shooting through the viewfinder and an on-sensor phase detection system from the mirrorless Nikon Z6 to give it substantial versatility, is what really sets it apart. The Canon EOS 5D Mark Roman IV is also deserving of recognition, even if the D780 can very much do it all. Even though it is becoming older, both professional and amateur photographers still adore this high-end DSLR. The D780 is a better overall choice due to its innovations and lower pricing because it offers superior image quality and is built like a tank to withstand professional use. At number 2 is Canon EOS 6D Mark Roman II. In comparison to the Nikon D780, the Canon EOS 6D Mark Roman II is a far more economical full-frame choice. Its build quality falls short of that of the Nikon or the Canon EOS 5D Mark Roman IV, which is the model above it in the Canon series. The fact that it is still weatherproof and has a lot of tactile controls makes it simple for more experienced photographers to change settings immediately. You'll still get excellent pictures from the 6D, along with a reliable focusing system despite the D780's newer backside lit sensor giving it an advantage in areas like noise reduction and dynamic range. The main compromise is that it is unable to capture 4K footage. A second SD card slot and a headphone port are also lost. In the end, it's basically a camera for taking pictures, as opposed to a more expensive model like the Nikon, which has superior video capabilities for hybrid shooters. However, even without 4K, this camera is still a great value for photographers. At number 3 is Canon EOS 90D. Going for a crop sensor choice will help you save a lot of money if the Canon EOS 6D Mark Roman II is out of your price range while still delivering excellent quality and performance, except maybe in low light. When it can struggle a little with noise compared to full-frame models, you probably won't notice a significant difference in quality with an APS-C camera like the Canon EOS 90D unless you need the highest image quality and lenses. Nevertheless, it boasts a high-resolution sensor capable of taking beautiful pictures and a very good autofocus system. Because it is more recent than the 6Ds, you can use both face and eye detection for more accurate focusing. If 4K video recording is a must-have for you, it can also do that. It boasts a highly straightforward user interface and controls, just like the majority of Canon DSLRs, making it simple to use for both expert and inexperienced users. Additionally, it is well made with a weather-sealed shell, a top display for easy setting monitoring, and outstanding battery life. With this camera, you'll get premium features and performance overall, but not the same build quality as more expensive models, along with the standard trade-offs that come with an APS-C sensor. At number 4 is Canon EOS Rebel SL3. One of the best and most portable affordable DSLRs available is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Compared to other DSLRs, it was made to be smaller and lighter, making it very portable. Newcomers may easily use its straightforward control scheme, and it boasts a fully flexible touchscreen that makes it easier to film from various angles. Additionally, it makes use of the same APS-C sensor as the Canon EOS Rebel 80, resulting in comparable image and video quality. The main compromise is a considerably more basic autofocus technology. Another excellent low-cost alternative is the Nikon D3500 if you're brand new to photography. Even more basic than the SL3, Nikon's entry-level camera lacks both an articulating screen and 4K video support. It does, however, include a special shooting mode called Guide that shows you the ropes while you shoot. It's a great place to start if you've never used a dedicated camera before. But the SL3 is the better option if you want a budget model with even more functionality. At number 5 is Canon EOS Rebel 7 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel 7 or EOS 2000D is one of the most inexpensive solutions you can buy new if you're on an even tighter budget and don't want to take a chance buying a used model. You don't get anything fancy, like weather sealing or even a tilting screen at this price point, and the build quality feels lower and more plasticky than on more expensive versions. However, a high-resolution APS-C sensor with respectable image quality lies beneath that understated facade. This model's dynamic range and noise handling aren't as good as those of the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 or Canon EOS Rebel 80 because it's an older, less expensive model. You can always change your lens later on for better results, but it's still quite decent for the price. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.